Wow, the weather's starting to heat up a little bit. Summer is just around the corner, and I'm tired of being cold. I swear to God, I am tired of being cold. So let's talk about drinks that are cold for when the days are hot. This is a variation on a daiquiri. Daiquiris have rum, lime, simple syrup. A couple other things. That's where you start mixing it up. This one is a Pineapple Aperol Daiquiri. Okay, so we've got our rum. We got Aperol, which is an Italian aperitif. Pineapple nectar, you could squeeze your own pineapples. I'd slice it up first because they're hard to get into the thing as is. Simple syrup and lime juice, okay? So those are your ingredients. We'll talk about them as we go. We're gonna serve it in a coupe glass, traditionally. There we go. We're gonna use 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. This is limes that we squeeze, get them from the store. You know what? If limes are expensive, use something that is already done for you. We're going to use 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Once again, in that true daiquiri fashion, the lime and the simple syrup are balanced, okay? We're using 1 ounce of pineapple juice. These Tetra Paks, this packaging here is called Tetra Pak, are fantastic. There's a ton of great juices. There have been times we've gone to the store, just picked out 3 or 4 of them, put them in a pitcher, add some rum, and you're on the islands. Aperol, we're gonna use 1/2 ounce. Gonna be pretty precise on that one. And the last one is 1.5 ounces of Aged Rum. This is Bacoo. I believe that's the way you pronounce it. 12-year-old rum. It's from the Dominican Republic. This is the one that we use in our smoked rum old fashions, and we really enjoy this rum. We've gone through many a bottle of it. So 1.5 ounces. Or a little more. Feeling sporty. All right. Top goes on the shaker. I like this kind of shaker instead of the 2-part ones with that looks like 2 metal glasses, because I can never get the damn things apart. So I like this one. Do put my finger over the top so stuff doesn't go sloshing around. Now, part of the daiquiri recipe is when you serve it in the glass, you use a fine mesh strainer. That's to get the bits of pieces of the lime pulp, in this case, pineapple pulp, out of the way. Now, since this is a boxed juice, there's almost nothing in this at all. But that is the Pineapple Aperol Daiquiri. Good on a hot day. And tasty as hell. This is good. Stay safe, friends. Enjoy. Cheers.